Sister Wives star Janelle Brown is back with new updates amid her healing journey. The 55-year-old suffered a tragic loss last March after her son, Garrison Brown, died from a gunshot wound to the head. His cause of death was ruled to be suicide. The Brown family's loss broke the hearts of many. However, Janelle continues to stay positive despite all that has happened. Keep reading to see her latest post, in which she opens up with joy. Sister Wives. What is Janelle Brown up to today? Janelle continues to thrive in life despite all the heartbreaks. The Sister Wives star continues to endorse the pink drink company with Christine. She has also been pursuing a healthy lifestyle, uploading clips from her workout routines and sharing healthy recipes. Janelle likes to talk about her garden projects with Maddie in North Carolina as well. It was also reported that the reality TV personality bought a 156-acre plot of land in North Carolina for $289,000, creating speculation that she may soon move close to her daughter. Janelle talks joy after personal tragedy. In an Instagram post, Janelle shared a clip of herself talking about joy and what makes her happy. According to the Sister Wives star, she's been thinking about the difference between happiness and joy. She even confessed that she looked it up because she feels like they have different meanings. Janelle Brown believes that happiness is temporary and generally short-lived. Like doing something that makes you happy, she added. She later explained that joy is a long-term experience, adding that it is a deeper satisfaction. Janelle also received positive comments from fans, wishing her happiness and joy. Sister Wives. Janelle Brown shares busy life. Janelle also took to social media last week to share a clip about some of her daily routines. According to the Sister Wives star, she usually has a long to-do list. But she decided to spend Sunday in Sedona, which is only a 40-minute drive from Flagstaff. She also revealed that she's embracing every moment in Flagstaff, as she won't be there as soon as she focuses more on North Carolina. Always a beautiful drive down Oak Creek Canyon, and I always try to grab a meal with a view, she added before saying she often shops for turquoise jewelry.